Hey there, I'd like to share my review on a strand of green lights. And so they actually have lights coming off both sides, as you can see on this cord. And I'm actually going to take this strand of lights and put it above our dining room bar. And I'm actually going to intertwine it with some flowers. And greenery, and then just kind of use that as my spring decor. So obviously you could use these if you're having a St. Patrick's Day party or any type of spring party where you really want that green. Also would be a lot of fun at Halloween. Again, because this type of green, just kind of goes with that theme, that ambiance. And I could even see just having it at your camping area as some extra lights. So it's not necessarily a bright white, but you've just got some fun, low, bright, lights that you could decorate up your garden with. So I'm excited to try a lot of different things with it this summer. But for now, I'm going to decorate in my kitchen and intertwine it with some plants. So here you can see how the lights look with the flowers all across our ceiling. I also wanted to share how much it brightens the room, or how bright it is within our dining room kitchen area. So it definitely lights up both rooms really easily.